Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Honda CR-V. So first thing we need to do is make sure Bluetooth is on. Then we're watching out at the bottom here, over to the audio system, click on telephone menu and phone setup. Click on phone setup, Bluetooth setup, paired phone list, add new phone. Please make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Well, it is, so we'll click OK. It's now searching. Barry's iPhone 11, it's found, so we click on that. Please enter the pass key 4 noughts. 0, 0, 0, 0. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. And there it is, Honda HFT connected. That's it done.